If you're looking for the ultimate cleaning companion to keep your home spotless with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop you must have in 5. These smart cleaning gadgets will save you time and make your life easier. Whether you're tackling pet hair, stubborn dirt, or everyday messes, these high-tech robots have got you covered. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to stay updated with the latest must-have gadgets. And don't forget, you can find all the product links in the description box below. Now let's get into it. The Eureka J15 Pro Ultra is a powerhouse when it comes to hands-free cleaning. It features a 16,200 pascal suction power, capable of removing 99% of debris from all floor types. What makes this vacuum stand out is its 8-in-1 functional base. The FlexArm design mop reaches tight spots and edges with precision, while the FlexiRazor anti-hair tangling technology actively cuts hair at 400 cuts per minute, preventing tangles and keeping the vacuum running smoothly. With up to 75 days of maintenance-free cleaning, this is a solid choice for those who want efficiency with minimal effort. Next up, we have the Dream X40 Ultra, which boasts an impressive 12,000 pascal suction power and a liftable side brush that ensures deep cleaning, even in hard-to-reach areas. Its removable and liftable mop system protects carpets from moisture damage while thoroughly cleaning hard floors. One of its standout features is the self-cleaning function, which washes the mop and washboard at 158 degrees Fahrenheit, reducing stains and odors effectively. Additionally, it features customizable virtual boundaries, so you can control where it cleans through the app. The AI Robo T20 Plus is perfect for pet owners and large households. It comes with USLAM Air 5.0 technology and LiDAR navigation, creating accurate home maps for efficient cleaning. This 3-in-1 vacuum and mop combo offers adjustable suction power and water levels, making it adaptable to different floor types. The 3.5L self-emptying base station can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, giving you true hands-free operation. With a 180-minute runtime, scheduling options, and compatibility with Wi-Fi, Alexa, and remote control, the AI Robo T20 Plus ensures a smart, seamless cleaning experience. For those looking for a budget-friendly yet powerful robotic vacuum, the iLeaf V9 Pro is a strong contender. It features a self-emptying station with a 12.5L dust bag, providing up to 30 weeks of maintenance-free cleaning. The 3,000 pascals suction power easily picks up dust, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces. It also supports multiple cleaning modes, including zigzag, spot, edge, and max for customized cleaning. The gyro navigation system ensures efficient cleaning paths, while Alexa and Google Home compatibility allow for easy voice commands. If you want a smart vacuum at an affordable price, the iLeaf V9 Pro is worth considering. Finally, taking the top spot is the iRobot Roomba Combo i5, a versatile 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. It automatically transitions between vacuuming and mopping, making it perfect for homes with mixed flooring. With Imprint smart mapping technology, the Roomba Combo i5 learns your home's layout and allows you to customize cleaning schedules for different rooms. Its 4-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface rubber brushes ensure powerful suction and deep cleaning. Whether you have pets, kids, or simply want an effortless cleaning experience, the Roomba Combo i5 is the best robotic vacuum and mop you can buy